Stuck staring at a blank presentation slide? Feeling the dread of another boring PowerPoint? Yeah, me too. But what if I told you, you could whip up killer slides right on your phone? No laptop, no stress. Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to do it. First, open up your Canva account. Then click on Presentation. You'll see a blank page. Now, click on Elements, search for the elements you want or use the one you already have. Add text. Change the font. Now, click on Animate. Add animation to both. Next step, add a new page. Again, go to Elements and search for Rectangle Frame. Choose the one you want to use. Just simply drag your image to the frame. Now, scroll a little and you'll find Effects options. Click on that, then click on Shadow, choose the Drop option. Again, click on the Drop effect. Now, adjust the shadow distance and angle. Next step, click on the picture, then copy. Again, do the same thing, copy and drag your next image into the frame. After adding all the images, now it's time to add text. Choose the right font. Next, click on the page, then click on Color. Choose the color that will go with the image. Change the text color as well. Scroll a bit, click on More, then click on Duplicate. So, now we have our next page. Click on the image and simply drag it to the corner like this. Change the background color and text color. Scroll a bit, then click on More, then Duplicate. Drag the image to the corner, change the background and text color. Repeat the same process. Now, click on the text and animate. Do the same thing for the other pages. It's time for the last step. Add transitions between the pages. For the first transition, I'm using Flow. And, for the rest of the pages, use only Match and Move. Now your presentation is completely ready and you can download it.